Installing WordPress on FastComet is quick and easy. If you're a beginner, let me walk you through the process step by step. First, log into your FastComet client area and access your cPanel dashboard. FastComet uses cPanel, which makes installing WordPress super straightforward. Next, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps Installer section and click on WordPress. Softaculous is an automatic installer that helps you set up WordPress with just a few clicks. Click the Install Now button. On the setup page, choose your domain name where you want WordPress installed. If you want it on your main site, leave the directory field empty. Fill in your site name, site description, and create your admin username and a strong password. Make sure to remember these details because you'll need them to log into your WordPress dashboard later. Before you finish, select the language you want for your WordPress site, and you can leave the rest of the options as default if you're unsure. Once everything is set, click Install. The installation usually takes less than a minute. When it's done, you'll see a success message with your WordPress login URL. Click it, log into with your admin credentials, and you're ready to start building your site. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the like button and subscribe and check the description for helpful links.